Now the next part of stop valve assembly is gland. So for gland, select any plane, then click on sketch, create a circle. The radius of circle is 35. And then create another circle of radius 19. And then again create third circle of radius 90. The distance between both center point is 88. And the distance of this center point from the axis is 44. Okay, now select bitangent line and click one circle, then end, second, first circle, and then second circle, then again and again. Apply trim command. Now create a circle for holes. The diameter of two holes is diameter 14. Then again from this center point the diameter is 14. Now the sketch of gland is ready, so click on exit workbench. Now apply pad, and the dimension of pad is 12, then OK. Now select this plane and click on sketch, create a circle of 56 diameter, then click on exit workbench, then again click on pad, and the length is 30. Select this plane and again click on sketch for hole, create a line and select this surface and click for coincidence, and again select dimension. The dimension is 56 divided by 2. Okay, now by using trim you got the corner point. So again create a line, give the dimension from the axis. This dimension is 14, and create another line and select this corner side and give the dimension between this point is 0. Okay, now again click on trim command and select this line and this one. Create an inclined line from this corner point and give the angle from this axis is 60 degree. Okay, now apply trim command, click on this line, and again and again. Okay, so for the hole, click the center line and create a line from this point and apply trim command, and give the center line for revolve. Click on exit workbench and apply groove, then preview, then OK. If you want to check the section view of this object, then select plane and click for side view. Oh, 1 second, this one. this is the section view of the object, and this gland is complete for a straw ball assembly.